Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most important topics for any workplace. Safety. Whether you're at a construction site, an office, or a factory floor, safety isn't just a checklist item. It's a must for every business to thrive. Workplace safety isn't just about avoiding accidents, it's about creating an environment where everyone feels protected and valued. And let's be real, when employees feel safe, they're more productive. It's a win-win for everyone. So, what exactly is workplace safety? We're talking about two main pillars, prevention and protection. Prevention is all about stopping accidents before they happen, and protection is about making sure we minimize the impact if something does go wrong. From wearing the right protective gear to regular safety drills, these are the key things that keep workers safe from harm. And trust me, every little bit counts. Now here's why it matters beyond just avoiding injuries. It's also the law. According to the Legislative Decree number 81 of 2008, companies must follow strict safety protocols or face some pretty hefty penalties. Think fines or even jail time for non-compliance. But here's the thing, it's not just about ticking boxes. It's about creating a culture where safety becomes second nature. When your mental and physical well-being is looked after, you work better, feel better, and the whole company benefits. So who makes all this happen? It's not just one person's job. In every company, you've got a whole team working behind the scenes to ensure safety. From safety managers to company doctors, all the way to you, the employee. You're just as important in keeping the workplace safe. Every employee is required to undergo safety training, which is tailored to their role and the risks they face. These trainings are free for workers. Yep, your employer covers it. So there's really no excuse for skipping out. And when accidents do happen, because let's face it, they can, we need to know how to respond. That's where prevention and protection come into play once again. It's all about reducing the damage and keeping things under control. Fire drills, first aid kits, and knowing your escape routes can make a huge difference in minimizing harm. Ultimately, safety in the workplace is about more than just laws and regulations. It's about caring for your team. When businesses put their employees' health first, they create a stronger, more productive workforce. A safer workplace means a happier workplace. And who doesn't want that? If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on workplace wellness and safety. And remember, safety isn't just a policy, it's a priority. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.